Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can obtain the Rainbow Log Achievement Badge in Heartopia game. Okay, let's get into it guys. If you want to unlock this badge, you need to trigger 2 rainbow hybrid blessings in a single multi-area watering. And I'm going to show you how we can do that. I would like to recommend you guys to wait for the rainbow event, and now it's the moon rainbow event, so we can start to trigger the hybrid. And I would like to recommend you to use the rainbow bouquet. You can obtain this rainbow bouquet during the rainbow event. This rainbow bouquet guys will give you more luck to trigger the rainbow hybrid blessings. Okay, and I'm going to start watering the flowers. You can tap and hold on the watering can so you can water multiple flowers at once, because we need to trigger 2 rainbow hybrid blessings in a single multi-area. Okay, and the blessings will look like this guys, and it should be like this to unlock the rainbow log achievement. So you need to keep watering the flowers until you get the rainbow hybrid blessings in a single multi area. Okay guys, and that's how we can obtain the rainbow log badge in Heartopia. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye!